Okay, everybody, welcome back. Excited to be here, posting some content for you guys. And like you saw in the title of this video, we're going to be doing the 5 things that I love about the Silverado ZR2 here. And it's a 2024 slate gray metallic. It's got the black badging. Quick little walk around. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. And starting off here is going to be the bumper for me. The first thing that I love about this truck is the off-road style bumper. And if I get down a little bit here, you can see the skid plates as well. So it's a very aggressive looking front end of this truck. And you can see how it's got the cutouts there in the bumper, so you can see more tire. It makes the truck look very, very aggressive from the front. So that is, yeah, that's definitely one of my favorite features there for sure. But moving on, while we're here, it's going to be the Multimatic DSSV shocks. And these shocks ride so smooth. They take bumps so well, and the overall ride quality is really, really good for the truck. So I had an AT4 before this, and the Multimatic shocks make such a huge difference, and you can really feel the smoothness in the ride quality. So it really, really makes it a very enjoyable truck to ride in. Can't really see these as well, but anyways, the ride quality on this truck is phenomenal because of those shocks. So that's definitely going to be number 2. Moving along here, number 3, we can go to the back of the truck for this one. And it's going to have to be, and I did have the Multi-Pro before, but this tailgate here, without having the Multi-Pro, the up-down from the key fob, makes a huge difference. For me, I love it. I love being able to do it from inside the truck, and I love to do it if, if you have your hands full or something like that, and you have the key fob, you can automatically open it, and it drops down with the soft close, of course. But now I'm just gonna, so double tap and hold, and you can raise it back up. And the whole Chevrolet kind of design here with the black lettering, ZR2, Silverado, all in black. It's a really clean look. It's a really clean look, but also functional, where you do have that power up down feature instead of obviously the manual, which is not a big deal. But I do like it. It's kind of grown on me. I did originally want the Multi-Pro tailgate, or multi-flex, I think Chevrolet calls it. I did originally want that, but now having this, it is growing on me. It does look good, and it says Chevrolet as opposed to the black Chevy bow tie that would be right in the middle of the tailgate there. So that's probably number 3 for me. Now, as we kind of go along this side, number 4 is going to be the interior. So just the seats, the quality of the seats here, the stitching, just really, really nice. And then the door panel, the yellow stitching everywhere, even along the dash, everywhere. Very, very nice looking interior with the black bow tie on the steering wheel. But yeah, these seats look incredible. Comfortable, yellow stitching everywhere. Door panel with the carbon fiber kind of accents here. The interior is really, really incredible. Really, really incredible. It's another look there. And again, the seats, really comfortable, really nice. Nice center console. Yeah, really, really well done. A lot of nice stitch work, attention to detail. It is really dirty, so ignore that. So now moving along here, we have the front bumper, we have the Multimatic DSSV shocks, we have the multi-flex tailgate, we have the different two-tone gray interior, and to wrap it up, I'm gonna kind of combine this one. I could make it 6, but definitely the high clearance step. For me, it goes really, really nicely. It still gives you that clearance on the truck, and it goes with it really well. It's also non-slip, so it's got that kind of bed liner material on those running boards, so you won't slip. It looks good. It still gives you lots of clearance. If maybe you go off-roading with this thing often and you need that clearance, you still have lots of it with those high clearance steps. It's almost like they kind of blend in. You can't really see them because they're tucked up so high. They're not an eyesore. They don't come out low, anything like that. They're a non-slip, so you won't slip on those. And they just look really good, as well as being functional. So that's gonna be number 5. I will throw in a number 6 here. It's going to have to be the Duramax engine. For me, the Duramax is one of the best engine options you can buy with the GM trucks, and it's incredible. It's honestly been one of the best engines for fuel economy, and you still get very, very decent power with the truck. Merging on the highways, no problem. You still get lots of that power. So that is definitely one of my favorites, and it really makes the truck what it is. It gives you a lot of torque, so when you're towing, you have no issues, and you still get very, very decent power out of it, along with probably some of the best fuel economy you can find in a truck engine. So with that being said, that's going to kind of wrap up the 5 or 6 things that I love. Now I could keep going. I could keep going about this truck. I could tell you the flow tie is amazing, where it's got the air in there. I could keep going forever. But really, really enjoyed this truck so far. I will do a bit of a kind of an ownership review so far on the truck. I have about 20,000 kilometers on this truck, so I will give you a bit of an ownership review just to see how we're liking it so far and how it's performed. Full look here. That slate gray looks so nice in the sun, and it's still kind of dirty, but what a nice color that is. But really love the truck so far. It's been amazing, and we have lots of stuff coming for it, so stay tuned. If you're still watching, stay tuned. Lots of cool stuff coming for this truck. It's going to be getting a makeover, and speaking of makeovers, the S4 is over there as well, and that car is going to get a lot of nice parts as well. So stay tuned. We have the S4 with a lot of different mods coming. We have the truck with a lot of different mods coming. We're going to really transform the look, going to make it what it should be, and just give you a final walk around here. But yeah, like I said, I could make, 15, 20 things I love about this truck. But we'll keep it to 5 or 6. And with that being said, like the video if you enjoyed it. If you do have stuff that you love about your truck, if you have a ZR2, if you have a Trail Boss, whatever kind of truck you have, drop it down in the comments. What do you love about that truck? Maybe it differs from this one. And yeah, let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your opinions and your comments. So drop them down below. We'll respond to them. And subscribe if you're new. Like I said, lots of new content coming. And we will see you guys all in the next video.